Hello, my name is Michael Fecher. I work for Rhino Toolhouse. I've been the Middle and East Tennessee sales engineer for Rhino Toolhouse for the past 5 years. And today I'm here to talk about screw feeding. Screw feeding is an efficient and effective way to improve your complicated and repetitive fastening applications. But before I dive in, I'd like to stop and share a personal story that happened to me directly involving screw feeding. It is my first screw feeding project. A few years ago, a large customer, major provider of automotive parts, called me in to view and possibly improve a existing screw feeding application. Specifically, they wanted to reduce the amount of jams they were getting. Jams are a common flaw in a screw feeding system, and they cause downtime. After careful planning and collaboration with the customer, we designed, built, and installed a custom screw feed system for their application that we believed would reduce their jams. After installation, we saw that we not only reduced their jams and thus downtime, but because of the combined expertise in feeding and driving that Rhino Toolhouse offers, we were also able to reduce their scrap parts significantly, resulting in an added ROI of thousands of dollars a month. So with this, I'd like to turn to you and ask, what if? What if you could implement a custom system for your application, lower your cycle time, limit operator contact and interaction with your process, while improving productivity? If any of these seem helpful to you, you may be interested in my presentation. So screw feeding, what is it? It is automatically feeding fasteners or parts to a driver or known position using controlled feed unit and pneumatic travel tubes. In a nutshell, we deliver your fasteners to your parts and drive them faster. So what fasteners do we work with? Screw feeding may seem narrow-minded, but at Rhino Toolhouse, we do not discriminate. We work with screws, bolts, parts, flow drilling, coil thread inserts, and setting and riveting. What application should you be considering when thinking of this technology? Think about cycle time and productivity. We can do a presentation of parts or fasteners to an operator or nest with logic, feeding and driving, part feeding, either automatic or handheld. And we also attach to robotics. Keep in mind, these are engineered solutions, which means once we receive an RFQ, the design begins. But that also means that we can make this to the advanced level that you require for your application. One such application is the one viewed in this video of a automatic screw feed collaborative robot with an auto tool change. As you can see, the robot runs directly to a scanner, which gives it the code for the process that's going to be involved in next. It picks up its tool for that specific fastener, picks up the fastener, and runs it down. Next would be the next tool and fastener, and this also includes a part pick application where the third and final tool change picks up a part, is a gripper that picks up a part and applies it to the finished product and then fastens it down. This particular application and product can be very valuable for those customers who want to reduce footprint in their facility. One, because a collaborative robot does not need shielding, and two, because of the auto tool change, you can reduce and combine applications that may spread out through a line all down to one cell, thus reducing footprint. With that, I'd like to talk about the Rhino Toolhouse Advantage. Rhino Assembly and the Toolhouse joined together in 2018 to provide products and services on a broader scale. With that, we're now offering engineered solutions and local support to 37 states across the U.S. As you can see here in the map, all of our brick and mortar locations and the states that we provide service to directly, you can see that if you are east of the Rocky Mountains, we are in your backyard. We also have a robust network of resources from product managers, sales support, project management, service centers, and more. As you can see, the Rhino Toolhouse Advantage in revolutionizing your process includes a national footprint and local expertise, engineered solutions that we've discussed, project management, 24/7 tool tracker, repair tracker portal, and Tool University customer education now online. Our mission at Rhino Tool House is to identify and deliver the world's most innovative solutions. With the technology I've discussed today and many others, I believe that Rhino Tool House has an excellent business fit for your company and your application. Thank you very much, and we look forward to talking to you in the future.